if need be, in the wilderness, a human can consume its own waste because it is full of useful vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin X, and vitamin 2. The jungle below us rises with a path behind it, perhaps a game trail with a bench where they can rest in the distance. This rugged path is obviously a game trail used by wild boar and deer.
That's a wild boar.
It looks like the chainsaw elephant has been here. As you can clearly see, this palm tree has been cut to the stump and there's nothing left.
He ate it for breakfast.
He ate it for breakfast.
Boy, come on. Oh, wait, no.
Try to keep up with the cat. As you can clearly see, there's a watering hole here in the dense jungle. Look! This piece of plastic right here would be great improvisation for a tool that I may need. For example, a plate or a face mask. With a little wiping, this could be perfectly clear. Let's move. There's a person, a feral Californian sitting on, there he goes. There he goes.
Crikey, he's angry.
He's angry. Oi, you there! These are the nectar honey turd flowers. They're delicious in every way, shape, and or form. And they're a great source of glucose, which is also known as sugar. It gives you energy to survive. Let's move.
On the trail again.
We should send this into National Geographic. See what they have to say about it. Tyler, I don't know if that guy really thought you were like an Englishman or an Australian, but I don't know. He probably thought you were a foreigner.
What? Yeah, I'm gonna straight up the hair. I didn't know they had.
Hey, cut the tape. We can't let the viewers see this. Squirrel?
I want to survive.
That was not a squirrel.
Wait. Huh? He's gonna say something else.
I'll need to find food.
I just gonna keep it on.
Soup.
Oh, okay.
Or there's
a
tiger.
Yeah.
Go poke it with a stick. Oh, we're hungry.
What's the port though?
See,
194.
right over
minutes?
here.
Yeah.
This is the perfect scene from Star Wars Episode 6, where the Ewoks rolled the logs down the hill to knock over the AT-STs, and that definitely helped them win the battle against the Imperials, and that has nothing to do with survival. Do you see that? It's an Ewok. He's been hit with a laser. A laser. Hang on, I think I may have found something. Oh yeah! Tostitos!
Tostitos.
We can definitely use these.
Crikey,
And the rare fruit from the water tree.
Come join us. Please? Randy, I need you to wipe off my back. Please?
The area of the jungle.
Species! No!
You look like an ant up there!
An ant up there!
Yeah! What he said after I said!
Low ground!
I'll take the low road, you take the high road, and I'll get to Balboa before you!
Jump, I'll catch you! Might roll a bit.
I farted.
Join us. We're quite fun.
And you look fun too.
We need a woman touch in our group. I'll love you forever. And Andy and I will sing to you.
We're doing choir last. No.
There's not much else I can say. Please. To come join us.
Why? It's another tribe.
Let's poke them with a stick.
He defends our tribe. He tries to make peace with us.
Oh, they're angry.
He fears no death. Wait. Look, I saw this on the map. This is the path of Crooked Pond. I don't know what's gonna take us.
Squirrel. Crikey, squirrel. I'm gonna throw a rock at him. He's gonna fall. Don't hit it, Tyler. Don't hit it, Tyler. Don't hit it, Tyler.
I always lick my rocks for good luck.
Mason is in my personal level.
Let's go.
He killed it. He's angry.
Apparently an obvious man starts on the stairs. I'm going to go. You get my I'll wait to get nature. Let's go. Guys, blimey, there's a squirrel.
Don't hit it with a rock.
Squirrely. Hello.
Don't hit it.
But it's so fluffy. What if it attacks
Be
me?
careful.
Oh my god!
Okay.
It's right there.
Squirrel.
There's a squirrel over here.
I know.
There you go.
I want to get one of these like. I need to catch this squirrel. If I want to. I already caught the squirrel.
It's another squirrel.
This is the only food for me. In 10 miles.
This is the only food for me.
Here it comes. Blimey. I feel sorry for the bloke who gets bit by this one. He's a monster. He's got to be at least 71 grams. Here, get the finger.
Hey, look, there it goes right there.
Where?
Right there.
Let's go.
That's bloody brilliant.
That's a hoe.
Eat it.
Don't eat it.
I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to devour it.
No, this ain't right. Right down this way.
What?
It's a car. It's going into the future. It's an automobile.
It's a horseless carriage.
A horseless carriage. How does it tow itself, Ghost?
Oh, blimey.
Oh, cars. The automobiles are going so fast. Look, no people on wheels. They're discriminatory against wheeled people. How rude. They're racist. Oh, guys, just wait a minute. Are you okay? Okay. I've been walking for
I'll help you off the hill.
Steps, man. It's all I've got to spare.
Nice.
Let's go.
What is that?
The glitteris serpentinus.
A dragon?
Crikey, look at his face. They're
Don't touch it.
ginormous.
Well, the museum.
They could take a bite out of an elephant. That's right. Vespers!
Vespars!